So hi everyone, in this video we will going to learn about that how to use class lister and toggle CSS classes on a HTML tag, okay, on HTML element. So for example, if you have many CSS classes, okay, so for each and every class there would be a different styling and you want to shuffle between those styling, okay, to a particular HTML element. If for example, let me show you that if we have a red class, okay, in the HTML tag, okay. So for example, if we add a red class and its background color is red, okay, so this one, and again we have green class, okay, and the background color of this green class is green, okay, right? So let me show you that how it will gonna work. Let me create a page, and here we will give shuffle CSS classes on HTML tag, okay, HTML using JavaScript, okay, using JavaScript. Then so here it's gonna reflect. So let me create a tag. So we will going to create a p class, right? Side p, and then give the class as change, right? And here inside it we will give city, okay, city as a content, okay, right? So first of all, let me arrange the body to central, okay, display flex and then flex direction as column, then align items to the center, right? Let's see it's gonna work or not. Let's reload it again. Here mention one more thing. We need to mention the CSS link to link.css. Done. I can go live. Here we can see that it's in the center, right? So now let me again do it. Margin top center, margin top 200 pixel. It's gonna wipe out, right? So for now it's okay till this, okay, right? So guys, what we are going to do, so currently we have created a paragraph tag, okay, with a class name as change, right? And here we will create a button. Let me create a button with class red, with a class, okay, with class change again, right? Change button, right? So this is our button change, and here we will mention red, okay. So when we click on this red button, okay, it will going to change, it will going to apply the red CSS class styling, okay, on this paragraph tag, okay, right? So that's why we are creating it. So the next one is red, okay, right? Red. Now the next one is button change button green, okay, green, right? So when we click on this green button, it will convert the paragraph styling to this background color as green, okay, right? So till this we are done. Now we will going to create event listener, okay. So here we will need to mention the buttons. So here we will mention the change button red, okay, change button red. So when we click on this red button, it will change the, let me increase it, it will going to change the paragraph background to green, okay. So let para, okay, using this para variable we will going to select our paragraph tag, p tag simply, okay. Then here, okay, done. Now what we will going to do, now we will mention the para, then class list, done. Then here we will need to use the toggle button. Now inside the toggle we will mention this red CSS class, okay. What we will going to, we will mention this red CSS class and just it. Let me see here that whether I have included the JavaScript or not. So we will include the JavaScript. Src is equal to script.js. Done. Yeah, we are done with it. So now let's check. Okay, so you can see that when we are clicking on this red button, okay, so this event listener choosing the css red class, okay, using this class list toggle function. Okay, so using this we are changing the background of the paragraph tag to the red class present inside this css. Okay, now same we will do, just need to copy this, right? Copy this and just paste it here. Now yeah, just we need to mention the green. Okay, right, green. And here also we will mention the green, right? So this is for this green css class. So when we click on this green button, this one is for green and this one is for red. Okay, so when we click on this green button, the background color of the paragraph tag element will become city or green, right? So similarly you can do with almost all this, right? So let again gold. Okay, so we will create another way, background gold, right? So let's create here again, paste it. So let me again comment it. This one is for green and then now this one is for gold, right? So just we need to change this green. Okay, gold, right? And here also gold, right? Done. So now just we need to create a button here for the gold button, then change button to gold, right? Mention here gold. Done. Save it. Let's try with the gold. So you can see the background color of the paragraph is becoming gold. So in this way we can create it. Also one more thing, we will create another for removing. Okay, for removing it, for removing css styling. Okay, from para tag, paragraph tag. Okay, like, so for that we will simply choose a remove as a class, right? Here we will mention a change, right, as a class, correct? So we don't actually we have not given any type of styling to this change class. Okay, right? So we need to create a change class as well. So for change, let a background color aqua. Okay, so you can see that initially it is of aqua. Why? Because we have given a change class to the paragraph tag, so that's why. Now we have created a change class inside css also. Now we can do it. So now first of all we need to create a button for it as a name as remove css styling. Okay, done. So till this we are done. Now just see that whether this will going to remove it or not. Remove, right? Now let's see. Okay, you can see that when we click on the red button, it gives it it gives the background color to the paragraph tag as city. When we click on green, it will give the background color of the paragraph tag as green. When we click on the gold, it will give the background color of the city tag paragraph tag as gold. And when we click on the remove css styling, it will simply remove the styling, initial styling. So let me again refresh it. Okay, so this one is its initial styling, right? This one is its initial styling. So using this remove css style, we can remove it. But when we click on the red, green and gold, it is of dynamic type. Okay, so it won't get changed even after you mention it remove change. So in this way we can do it, right? Red, green, gold, then remove css styling. In this way it work. Also we can add, right? So now we will use add css styling for paragraph tag. Okay, for paragraph tag, right? Again just need to copy and paste it. Now here we need to uh, mention here add, right? Now here we need to use the add keyword. Okay, right? So we will use the existing CSS classes for the same, and now we need to make one another button for this button, then add CSS styling. So we have created button for it. Let's try to add it, right? So you can see that we have added. So in this way, guys, we can add a CSS styling class to any HTML element using this class list add, remove, toggle, toggle, right? Toggle, remove, and add. So this is how we can use class list dot add, remove, and toggle functions inside HTML. So hope guys this will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.